Yeah, so let's talk about this too. Hey, I know you was talking a little bit about how the business should be structured in terms of getting funding and stuff. You want to talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, man. And so one of the things that people don't know, and there's every business industry has what's called a NIC code, right?
Right.
And the NIC code tells the IRS how to classify your business, right? Whether it's in transportation, whether it's in art or commercial or residential or retail, whatever it is, there has a specific code. So when you go to register your business, they're gonna ask you, what are your business? What are your services? What it is? And most people, they name their business what their services is. Instead of putting themselves in a box, right?
Yeah.
Instead of being able to have it as open as possible where the company that you're trying to get money for don't see you as a risk. Right? So there are certain industries out here that banks already got red flags on your list.
Right.
It's over maybe like over 100 or something different entities or companies that automatically are gonna be red flag. We ain't funding that business. Trucking, they ain't not funding it.
Right.
Credit repair, they not funding it.
Yeah.
Tax prep, they not funding it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Massage therapies, high risk businesses, they not funding it.
Yeah.
Cannabis, they not funding it. But if you say I'm a whatever solutions.com or solution LLC, well now you restructure your business into a consulting service. And now you open yourself up for funding. Just that one tactic to taking yourself from a commoditized or person that actually did what they did to now being a consultant, and you get funding for that all day long.